Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to create this split text effect in Canva. Create a new video project. Change the background color. Add your text. Change the font to one tone. Increase the text size. Download it as PNG with a transparent background. Upload it to Canva. Delete the text. Add the image we just uploaded. Crop the image. Duplicate it and crop it to show the lower parts. Add the middle text. Change the font to Glacier. Set the color to white. Go to Effect, select Lift and increase the intensity. Finally, set the line and letter spacing. Now see the final result. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.